Looking for a BMW floor mats? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 8 BMW floor mats available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect BMW floor mats for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Smartliner all-weather custom-fit floor mats for 2018 plus BMW X3 and X4. And your 2018 or newer G01 BMW X3 or G02 BMW X4 sport activity vehicle, are you headed to the trails, the beach, or the park? These deep-lip all-weather BMW floor mats from Smartliner keep mud, snow, gravel, sand, and whatever else you walk through off the carpet. They're made from recycled materials, are stainless and odorless, and are custom-fit using 3D laser scans to ensure they're just as secure as the originals. When driving, a textured skid-resistant lining keeps your feet in place and is easy to clean with a hose or a bucket of soap and water. Multiple mats are included in this package to protect the driver, passenger, and rear floor. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list. We have the Ahmat custom-fit car floor mats for BMW 3 Series G20 G21 Sedan Touring's Drive 2019 to 2021. These mats are designed to give your 2019 and newer G21 BMW 3 Series, including the 330i, the most coverage possible. They reach up onto the region below the pedals on the floor and even have pieces that cover the transmission tunnel and the carpet beside the driver and front passenger seats, as well as the dead pedal on the driver's left. You may be more confident that your floor will continue looking fresh because the entire footwell is covered and the 3-layer waterproof mats are easy to clean when soiled. The top layer is imitation leather for aesthetics, the second layer keeps water out, and the third layer prevents the mats from slipping and adds further road noise insulation. At number 3 on our list. We have the 3W floor mats compatible for BMW X5. Rain, slush, snow, dirt, sand, and everything else you track in throughout the day will be trapped by this easy-to-clean all-weather mat for your 2019 to 2021 BMW X5. They have suitable attachments to stay in place using the OEM floor mat clips, and they're anti-slip for driving. Injection molding, as opposed to compression molding, allows the mats to be more flexible and conform to the curves of your vehicle. The tough pattern on these BMW X5 floor mats is designed to complement the interior appearance of your SUV, and sizes are available for a wide range of BMWs. At number 4 on our list. We have the WeatherTech all-weather floor mats for E46 3 Series. By now, your BMW might be more of a fair-weather classic than a daily driver, but that doesn't mean that you don't need a set of E46 floor mats to keep your older M3 or 328i looking good. This is a basic set from WeatherTech that don't have deep or wide channels to trap snow and slush, but will keep sand, dust, and other road grime off of your carpet and are easy to clean. WeatherTech is one of the biggest names in interior protection, and their parts are made in the USA. They're even 100% recyclable should you no longer need them. At number 5 on our list. We have the Icon Motorsports 3-stripe floor mats. If you're planning on showing off your older BMW, but the now 20-year-old mats are far from their best, nothing helps do it better than a replacement with a little more flash than the originals. These carpet mats add the BMW M stripes on the sides to give your older BMW more visual appeal. Meant to fit in place of the originals, these nylon mats should offer long life and soft comfort, even if they aren't meant to trap deep slush and mud. A non-slip bottom keeps the mats in place, and then you can just shake and vacuum when they get dirty. At number 6 on our list. We have the Muchkey mats for 2011 to 2017 BMW 5 Series. A set of mats that can cover nearly the entire carpet of your 2011 to 2017 BMW 5 Series, with sizes offered for other midsize BMWs, as well as 9 color choices including 2-tone options. These customized mats can protect your interior from the spills that can come with a high-performance vehicle like the BMW M5 when your coffee or soda cup can't handle the acceleration or cornering. With a diamond stitch pattern, these laser-measured mats should fit perfectly in your vehicle. At number 7 on our list. We have the BMW OEM mats for 1997 to 2003 E39 5 Series. Because the best fit is factory, even if they aren't the most stylish BMW rubber floor mats. This set is the exact all-season parts that BMW sold back in 1997 when the E39 BMW 5 Series was brand new. That means they offer the same excellent fit, the same channels to trap mud, water, and other liquids, and they have a BMW logo stamped into the surface. They won't curl, crack, or get stiff in the cold, but they will protect your floor and be easy to clean when it comes time to get the mud out. At number 8 on our list, we have the TMB Motorsports all-weather floor mats for BMW 3 Series 2012 to 2018. An all-weather mat to fit your 2012 to 2018 BMW F33 series. These TMB Motorsports mat sets come with two 328i rubber floor mats for the front, two for the rear, and a third to cover the driveshaft tunnel and complete the interior appearance of your 3 Series. Using heavy-duty PVC construction and a rubber-studded anti-slip design, these mats are meant to last and stay in place. They keep dirt, water, and other elements off of your floor, and they can help you keep resale value down the road at trade-in time. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.